Hello world, this is What's Up 2090, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to back up data from your saved game data from your consoles to your computer or backup drive. So first there's something that we need to know. The screen is cropped like this because I don't want to share any of my private files that are in my Finder or etc. So sorry about that in advance. The thing we need to know is that, first off, this will only work with digital copies of games. Game cartridges, CDs, all that, this cannot be done with. The only thing that will work with this is games that are installed on a hard drive on your console. By the way, this trick can also be used to back up installed games themselves. So first things first, on whatever console it is you're referring to, you're going to need to copy the data over to the USB drive, the hard drive that you'll be using to transfer over to your computer. So after you've done that, what you're going to want to do is just open up plug that same hard drive into your computer's USB. And then it should open up and have the folders of your console library in it. So after that, all you have to do is just copy. It's a Nintendo Switch memory that I have plugged in as an example. And then if you're backing up to another hard drive, what you're going to want to do is just copy plug in that other hard drive into the other USB port on your computer, and then it'll show up as well. And then copy it over to the other all the folders, everything over to the other hard drive. Or if you're copying it to your computer, just drag it to wherever on your computer you want the data to be copied to. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2090, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.